Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to create a business public profile on Snapchat full guide. Tap your profile icon, open settings, choose Create Public Profile, and follow prompts to claim your public identity. Add a concise business name, a compelling bio, location if relevant, contact email, and a high-quality profile photo. Use clear branding, enable public story sharing, and check features like link placement and analytics to grow engagement. Start with a sharp bio that tells people what you do and why it matters. Then add a logo or photo that reads clearly in a small circular frame. Include a contact email, a short call to action, and links when available to drive traffic. Use consistent brand colors and succinct language so viewers instantly recognize you. Update information regularly and test how your profile looks on different devices. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car fresh during long drives and photo shoots for location scouting. It's a small comfort that makes travel nicer. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you pick one up, I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on consistent public stories that highlight products, behind the scenes, and time-sensitive offers to keep followers engaged. Use location tags and Snap Map to attract local customers and event attendees, and experiment with short, attention-grabbing clips and captions. Monitor profile views, story completion, and other analytics to find best posting times. Respond to messages and promote cross-platform to convert casual viewers into loyal followers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.